all of you. My name is Dunaya Rondo of Class 5 VKV Tezu, District Lohit, Arunachal Pradesh. Today I am going to tell the story of the thirsty crow. It was summer. The day was very hot. A crow was very thirsty. The crow searched for the water from here to there, but he could not find the water. At last, he saw a pot with very little water. He thought of a plan. He picked up pebbles and dropped into the water one by one. The water came up. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. The moral of the story is we should use our common sense. Thank you.